everybody, welcome back to Stonehill, and we have a really fun video for you today because today, just this morning, we discovered these guys. We have morel mushrooms, and we've been here for years and we've never seen them. We had no idea that we had them. So the kids and Joel picked a whole bunch of them, and I'm just going to take you through a few steps. We did some quick research on it. Number one, don't pick your morel mushrooms with the root. If you pick your morels with the root, they won't grow back. So we're gonna go back over to the patch where we found all the morels and replant our roots. So come along with us. So if you want to eat your morels fresh, you want to cut off, make sure that it doesn't have the dirty stems, put them in a bowl, and then kind of put them in a cool place. It's nice and cool outside today, so we'll keep them on the porch, and just top it with a damp paper towel. Sorry about the mowing. It's kind of loud. Joel's out mowing while we're doing morels. That's really nice, Sophie. Good job.
So we are walking to where those mushrooms are. Right here. We found most of them, like right here. Oh look.
Where they were?
There's one right there.
Oh my goodness.
And yeah, there's all around here.
All in this area?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well,
So that's good.
There we go. It keeps the root intact.
Yeah, it just kind of fell off.
Yeah, and then you want to gather them in a mesh bag. So if any spores fall, they're going to just reseed themselves right here in the woods as you're carrying them around.
Woo. So
Show us.
This wasn't near a tree root, was it?
There you go. No, yeah, it's not necessarily right at the roots. One.
I found
Okay, let's put it in the basket.
That'll hold it all together.
Oh, did Nina find one?
Yeah.
There we go.
I found one
Where, Stella? Show us.
right here. Oh, it has a little crack in it.
That's okay.
I think I'm already breaking it.
That's okay.
Yeah, back and forth very lightly.
Can you show me?
It's a baby mushroom.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Oh my.
Oh my, look at
I bet
these.
fairies were eating some.
Here they are. I bet the fairies do eat them.
Uh-huh.
All right, so when you pick them, we just got to pinch them at the bottom. You want to pinch at the bottom and twist. And then the root stays in.
I like cutting better.
Again, hold it at the bottom, pinch, and twist.
Okay.
That way you get the whole root system intact in the ground. I can't believe we never knew these were here all these years. I'm scared to step anywhere now. Did you? Here, wait, hold on. I want to see. I found a few here, Meg. This is such a good area. Yes. 1, 2, put them in our little bag. All right, let me see. Okay, I can't see it. Isn't that crazy? Like I can't even see because they're so well blended. I still don't see it.
Sophie, cut it.
Oh, there it is. Can I go?
Found another one.
Okay. That's a good one.
Yeah,
How does it smell?
it smells good. You know, there's a little bit of a hole on top.
That's all right. We'll check them out when we get them inside.
It does smell really nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna get to work replanting these roots that the kids pulled up with their first batch that they found. That way they'll come back next year.
My mom said that if you get like a pound of them, they could be like $30 to $50.
Yeah, about $50 a pound if you sell them. But we're gonna eat them. Oh, here's some big ones. Oh my goodness. Wait.
Back and forth, nice and gentle.
Here we go.
Is there any more?
That one's beautiful.
I want to cut some more.
Oh, it's a great one. Now that we've discovered them, I don't know if I can go inside and stop looking. So your best bet for finding morels is going to be on a south-facing slope, which is exactly where this is, where we found our big batch, with a little bit of sunshine, but in the woods, growing on rotted material. So, oh, here's another one. Oh, I got some of the root there. So let's get some of that root off and put it right back in. Let's put that root right back in there. There. And he'll come back next year. There we go. Very nice. All right, hi. Hi, everyone. How should I start it?
I don't know. Well, we've got some mushrooms.
All right, so we're gonna...
Continuing on with our mushrooms.
Yes, continuing on with our mushrooms, we're gonna do a really simple preparation of these mushrooms. So what we're doing is we're cutting them in half lengthwise, and then I'm putting them here in a bucket of salt water. Just about a tablespoon of salt for a big bowl of water. And I'm looking for any dirt or any little bugs, any little worms, with a little paintbrush here. And you can soak them for up to an hour before you saute them. And you only want to soak them right before you prepare them. So these here I'm gonna leave until, I'm not gonna soak these until we're ready to eat them.
It actually smells really good.
Then add minced onions, shallots, and or garlic.
I'll be sure to put the recipe down below of how we cooked these mushrooms here today, but they ended up tasting delicious. They almost tasted like steak to me, really meaty, just really good. So I'll have that below, and that is the end of our big morel mushroom day. I hope you had fun coming with us to discover all these mushrooms and try out this recipe. You know, and I encourage you guys to get in the woods. If you have some woods, get out there and look for some morels. It says online that the first morel will show up when the first dandelion blooms in the middle of an open field, and that you'll find them in abundance when the first dandelion turns white. So that's kind of a good gauge as to when you can find morels in your woods. All right, have a great week, guys. We'll see you next time.